Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto share story to Facebook on Instagram application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we need to go to our profile on Instagram. We can click on this profile button and click on these three lines on the top right to open the Instagram settings and activity, and here we have to scroll down until we find the sharing option. This one, just click on it. And if you want to turn off the auto share story to Facebook, you just need to click on this toggle button, shared story to Facebook. Click on this toggle button to disable this feature. And right after you disable this feature, anytime you create a story on your Instagram story won't be automatically shared to your Facebook account. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off auto share story to Facebook from Instagram application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.